Good morning. Today I will write letter L and T.
With the help of
Eye
and sleeping line. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay.
Put L.
L.
Put L. Sleeping eye. Sleeping eye.
Very good.
Sleeping eye.
Good.
Is right?
Right.
It's not that.
No, no, no. It's not a zigzag line.
Right.
Right. Straight line. Yes. Good. 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 This is letter L. L is for
Lion.
lion. Very good.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. And L is for
Lamb.
lamb. Very good. Sheep baby called
Lamb.
lamb. And L is for
Leaf.
leaf. Very good. And what can be L is for?
Light.
Light. Very good. Good job, Arav. Next letter is
T.
T. Very good. 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 Very good. 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 Very good. Good boy. This is letter
T.
T is for
Toothbrush.
toothbrush and
T.
teeth. And which animal?
Tiger.
Very nice.
Roar.
Roar. And T is for
The toy.
tortoise. Very good. And when you go to bathroom, you wash your hand, na?
Tap.
Tap. Yes. Water comes from the tap. T is for
Tap.
tap. Very nice, Arav. Good job. Thank you, Arav.
And two. My friend. Yeah, my bee too.